got a fucking bird, son. No, they come and retaliate. Son, I got a fucking bird, son. These people come and retaliate, man. Man, I really hit that bird. Oh.
Damn, son. Now you gotta get it out, unhook that bitch, son. This man done hooked the whole bird, bro. He come out here fishing for the wrong thing. You wanna get him tangled up too, why?
No, he getting himself tangled up. What he's doing right now.
The girl said.
Son, this the funniest. I mean, I really like that thing.
Where you got him at?
Come on, man. Before I let this bitch go, boy.
Where it's at?
Right here in my hand.
Where the hook at?
In my hand, right here.
All right. Yeah, let me do this. Ready? I'm free. I'm free.
How you get caught again?
Oh, by her. Oh, you don't want to make it.
He will.
Now you done got the bird. Now you done got the bird.
No, I don't have it. I don't have it.
No, he just messed all up. No, he definitely got caught.
All right. I was on.